Okay, so I have this project that I'm all finished with. I've made my adjustments, I've added the right things to it, I've made sure to use the tools correctly and to have things line up in the right way. So now I have my finished project, and the next step is to get it ready to turn in. And there's actually two different words that I want you to look for whenever you need to submit something. Okay, first I'm going to give this a save just to make sure that I don't lose my actual work. Always save your own version of this, that way if there's some technical glitch you always have your copy. Okay, so now I have that saved. I'm going to go up here, and generally you're going to export. And so we've got a few different options here, and whenever you export, it's a way of packaging all of the information on your document in a way that some other computer program could actually understand. Here we can see that there's actually quite a few different options. If and when we need to, we'll probably stick with PNG for a image format, because that allows transparency, so you can have parts that are see-through, parts that are not, and that's actually a good thing. A JPEG is also very common because those are very popular. That's a very popular file format. And then there's a few other different ones that you can have. Now, generally we export to get to a PDF, and you can always use a PDF. Submit that, it's always going to work. So what I need to actually do is, with Illustrator, I'm going to save a copy. And this time I'm going to look and I'm going to see that my Illustrator PDF, because of the type of file that this is, a PDF is actually through the Save menu, not the Export menu. But in the future, it's most of the time going to be an export. In this case, Illustrator is a little unusual. It's going to be here. There's also these other types of files here, so EPS, templates, SVGs compressed. So these are all vector types of files. PDF's kind of unique because it can have vectors. It can also have a raster image file within there too. So I'm going to go ahead and make that a PDF, and I'm going to call it, I'm going to take out copy. So it's just maps example. And so generally you'll probably do that a lot, where you just say, hey, this is the assignment, this is the PDF, therefore I need to submit that. So we're going to make sure that we submit this PDF right here. Then I hit save. It will ask me a bunch of questions, and unless you hear otherwise, you really don't need to make any changes. The default options are good. So I'm going to hit save PDF, and there we go. We have a PDF. So from Illustrator, you're going to save a PDF. Everything else you're probably going to export. So that is the way you get the file for most of these projects.